hesitant.
He's faking himself out.
No, he knows what it tastes like. Ah, shake it. Do some durability tests. It's durable if I squeeze it.
In your eye.
Ah.
Right it, eat it.
Eat the lemon. What's wrong with you? Oh, it's disgusting, but I gotta have it.
Oh, slippery.
Got both things.
He's like deciding which one should I get, the straw or the lemon. I made the wrong choice.
Oh, oh.
He's having a hard time figuring out what he wants.
Just like his daddy. Oh, calculator.